for making a phone case. Add some orange, because that's what we do. Yep. Also need some red. I just got this good idea. So do some red like this, and then put some orange like this, you know? And then, what else do we do? We use this pink. Yeah. Then one more color. We'll go a different shade thing of pink. It looks pretty clean to me. Could clean it up a little bit more, but honestly, I think it's pretty smooth. Yeah. Woo woo. Alrighty. Now, hair dry it. Hair dry it, yeah. Is this an Apple phone or a Samsung? I'd say it's like not an Apple, because it doesn't have a billion camera things on the back. Right, tap to start. Why is it Bunny Rabbit? Okay. Didn't know they made Bunny Rabbit phones. Well, if you don't have a Bunny Rabbit phone, make sure to like and subscribe. Alright, we're done with the glue, I think. Then thank you. Now, gotta make it better. Add some green ears. Make a little bit of green here. Make half of this green, you know. Actually, I'll cover the ears with this green. And then I'll use the... Oh, that's not green, is it? Sort of is. Oh well, I'm using it. This looks green on the thing. Okay, never mind. Yeah, it comes out green enough. I guess it's just lime. Yeah, it looks pretty decent. I like this. I burped. Alright. So, woohoo! And that's phone number 2 done. Oh wait, we could have added stickers. Nice. Man, there's ice cream on this one. I want to eat this one now. Well, it doesn't look too delicious. I have to make it look good enough to eat, you know? And then I'll eat it. Alright. Nom, nom, nom. Hey! So obviously we gotta make it somewhat pink, because, well, who's eating a poop coloured ice cream, you know? Wait, I just realised I'm using... Whatever. I just realised, see this bit here at the top that I just coloured in? Kind of looks like a chocolate thing, so I should colour that bit in poop, you know? And then the rest... Alrighty. Actually, I feel like it should be more this colour. Yeah, this looks horrible. I'm gonna make it blue. Trust the process. Trust the process. I don't trust the process, I'll tell you that. Even though it's my own. I like this. Wow, I really suck at making friends. Oh well, who cares? I just realized, how is someone gonna find a screen cover that fits that, or like, you know, phone case? Why is it as soon as I saw her, that reminded me of Plankton? Oh, so that's what that does. Beep boop. Cha-ching. That cactus! I'm making this rainbow. It kind of looks like bubbles whenever I use the glue. Is that what happens when you put glue on phones? I didn't know that. I'm making it green. Man, this is great. Looking good. You can put stuff on it. Why? Alright. Let's put... What's that saying? Happy to... No, sunflower. And so this is all... Alright. Awesome. Ah, thank you. I am awesome. Bro, what is that hat? Okay, never mind. What Sigma is this? What that Sigma? Add in some more glue. Glue. Pretty sure everyone would have clicked up this video by now. Jeffrey, you think so? Uh-huh. That's good. Ah! No! Wait. It kind of looks like an Among Us character. Oh well. Wait, but why does this actually kind of look good? Oh yeah! My favorite thing about this game is, well, blending the colors. Oh, that's what the hairdryer does. I love how I just... Wait. Kind of like the... I want to use this. So, give him... I'm going to do it again with this. Yeah, I'm just going to go over it a little bit. Yeah. I'm the artist, Jeffrey. Why does that keep happening? What are you doing it on that? Man, I'm just doing it with one finger on the blue. Too light. Man, I'm definitely done. There we go. magenta. Yeah, this is extremely boring. But I want to see the end result. And see if it's crap or not crap. Hey, I have a question. What's the difference between words and swear words? Because aren't swear words just a different... aren't swear words just still words? I don't get why it's so bad to say. What the hell is that? Game on. Statue of Liberty. Pizza, pizza. I'm choosing the pizza because I like pizza. Oh yeah. I still don't get how that's comfortable. Oh no, what's this phone? A unicorn? Hey. Oh, I'm done. Alright. It took way longer than I expected it. Oh, so it blends now. That's nice. I know just what to draw. Oh yeah. What that Sigma? Yeah, well, I guess that'll be the end of the video. Pretty short video, right? Yeah. I'll do this again. I'll do this again if I get 30 likes on this video. No, 25. Yeah, no, 20. Yeah, 15. Yeah, I'll do this again if I get 15 likes on this video. You guys can do that. Do it again. Same with the stick one. I know I said I was going to do it based off the comments, but for the stick one, it's 20 likes for the stick man one. Yeah. See you guys next time. Have a great day.